Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Vanguard work on Windows 11. First, let's ensure your system meets the basic requirements. It's crucial to have your Windows operating system completely up to date. Next, you'll need to check your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings to confirm that Secure Boot is enabled. Finally, make sure that Trusted Platform Module, or TPM 2.0, is active on your system. These steps are foundational for a smooth installation. If initial checks don't resolve the issue, a fresh installation is often the best solution. Begin by completely uninstalling both Riot Vanguard and the game it protects from your computer. Once both are removed, perform a full restart of your system to clear any lingering files. After your computer reboots, proceed to download and reinstall the game. This process will automatically reinstall Vanguard, ensuring you have the latest and most compatible version. Sometimes, other software can interfere with Vanguard's operation. It's a good practice to update all your device drivers, particularly your graphics and chipset drivers, to their newest versions. Additionally, temporarily disabling any third-party antivirus or security software can help identify conflicts. Before launching the game, ensure you close all unnecessary background applications. This minimizes potential interference and allows Vanguard to run without interruption. If you're still facing issues, consider these advanced troubleshooting steps. Try running both the game and Vanguard as an administrator to grant them elevated permissions. Also, carefully review your firewall settings to confirm that Vanguard is not being inadvertently blocked. If after trying all these suggestions, the problem persists, the best course of action is to reach out directly to Riot Games support for personalized assistance. They can offer specific solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.